Good morning, children. How are you all? How was the weekend? I hope all enjoyed this weekend with your family and you all are safe at home. Yes, stay home, stay safe. Okay. So today we are going into our topic addition and subtraction up to 9. In that we are going to have a short recap of yesterday's video, that is adding 0 and 1 and adding using number line and order in addition. So first adding 0. Any number with 0 will give you the same number that is given here. So here it is 2 plus nothing is 0 will give you the same 2. Okay, that is our adding with 0. Now adding with 1. So here 5 set of bucks are there plus 1 is coming. So plus 1 will give you the next number, that is after number, or 1 more than that is next number, that is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. That is what is adding. When you add, you get the next number, after number. Okay. So next is adding using number line. You are given the apples. So you are going to count and write the numbers. Here it is 5 plus 3. Okay, now since 5 is the first number, we are going to mark 5 first. We will start from 5 and start counting this 3. Skip counting 3s. So 1, 2, 3. So under this what number comes? That is 8. Straight to the 8 comes. So I am going to write the 8 as my answer. So this is what is skipping or using number line we are counting. So we will start with 5 and skip 3 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, and you get 8 as our answer. First number we will be starting and second number we will be counting number of times. So here 3 is given, so 3 times we are skipping one by one. Then we get answer 8. That's it. Now this is order in addition. 1 plus 4 is same as 4 plus 1. Yes, 1 plus 4 is same as 4 plus 1. We get the same 5 as answer for both. 1 plus 4 is also 5. 4 plus 1 is also 5. That is same as. When the equal to comes, this sign is equal to sign. Okay, equals or equal to sign. This sign shows it is same as. And next is 3 plus 2 is equal to is same as 2 plus 3. When we change the order, when the second one comes first and the first one comes second, you get the same answer. 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 3, both of 5. The same answer you are getting if you change the order also. Okay. Now going into today's concept. Adding using lines and number as the sum of two numbers. Adding using line. This is very interesting and easy also. So here you have given the 3 plus 2 like this. This is what we say, writing the number vertically. One under that another number. So if you write like this, it is writing vertically or adding vertically. Writing the number to add vertically. So now I am going to, for this 3, I am going to draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. For this 2, 2 lines. 1, 2. Okay. Now I am going to add these all these lines and that is going to be my answer. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is my answer. Very easy. Adding, drawing the sticks straight to that. How many number, what number is given, that many sticks you are going to draw. I call it sticks. You can say sticks or lines. And for 2, 2 lines. So when adding together, after 1, 2, 3, continue with 4. After 3, it is 4, 5. Like that you will have to continue counting and complete over here. You get that answer. What number you are getting at last is your answer. Shall we see another example? Yes. It is 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Shall we check? Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and here it is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am going to add these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, I should start 5 here. I should not say again 1. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, I am getting 9 as the answer. Correct. I am getting also correct. Then next one is, here number story is given. We will have to take the numbers and write it down over here, and we will have to add. So, Bonu read 2 comic books on Saturday and 7 on Sunday. Find the total number of comic books she read on these 2 days. So, Bonu spent her weekend in a very useful way. She read comic books. What about you all? How did you spend your weekend? See how she is using a weekend by reading all comic books. Did anyone use the e-library for reading books during these days? That is on Saturday and Sunday. See how she is used. Okay, shall we check how many books she has read on those 2 days? Yes, now here it is 2 and here it is 7. Now I am going to put the numbers 2 and 7. Now I am going to put the lines for that. 1, 2. Here again 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 I am going to write. I have drawn. Now I am going to add. So it is 1, 2, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 I am getting. That is my answer. Okay. So next is sum of 2 numbers. So this one is nothing but a number is given. That number can be written as sum of 2 numbers. Adding 2 number, you get this number. So here 1 plus 1 they have given, 2 plus 0, 0 plus 2. So here 1 we'll see. For 2 you get 3 sets. For 3 you get 4 sets. Shall we see? See, for 3 you get 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. For 4 you get 5 sets. Okay, for 4 you get 5 sets. Okay, so how we are getting, shall we check? Yes. Now for 2 I am writing, first one I will start with 0. Because we start with 0, we get 3. For 2 only should get, no ma'am, you can say, but we are adding with 0 also. Adding with 0, adding with 1. You get, adding with 0 you get, for 2 you get 3 set. For 3 you get 4 set. For 4, 5 sets. For 5 it is 6 set. One more set you are getting because we are adding with 0 also. So we start with 0. 0 plus 2 is 2 because nothing plus 2 will give you the same answer, that is 2 only. And here you will be adding in the forward 0, 1, 2 here. Here it is backward this way. So 2, 1, 0. Here 0, you start with 0 and you start writing till 2. Till the number what we have given. So here they are asked for 2, so I am stopping with 2 here. But here, because we have started with 0 plus 2, I am reverse counting I am going to do. You all know reverse counting? From 9 to 1 or 0? Yes, it is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start practicing at home from today because we will be using it. For this subtraction also, for this also we will be using it. Practice at home. The next online class I will ask you this. Okay, this backward counting we will be using in this also. We studied this in the chapter 2, remember. Okay, so this is 2 and after 2 what will come in the backward counting? 1, then 0. So that is what, when the 0 comes, that's the end. So we'll stop there. So we'll start with 0 plus 2 and that ends with 2 plus 0. Similarly, for 3 also we start with 0 plus 3 and it ends with 3 plus 0. Likewise, this is all, the first line is all in the forward counting 0, 1, 2, 3, and the second order, in the second order it is backward counting 3, 2, 1, 0. You get the same answer, all 3's. Now next is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the backward counting from 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The first thing we should know is we should start always from 0. 0, what number is given? Here 4 is given. So 0 plus 4. Okay. But here it is 0, 3. So 0 plus 3. Here it is 2. So 0 plus 2. Always start with 0 plus. 0 plus that number. Here 0 plus this 3. And here 0 plus 4. Okay. So that's all for today, children. Practice well. Look at this and do by yourself for all the numbers. Till 9 you try. Till 9. For 9 you get 10 numbers. 10 set you get. Here for 4 you get 5 sets. For 5, 6 set. For 5 I will give you in the worksheet. Do it. Okay. Like that you practice at home till 9. Okay. That's all for today, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.